Hello everyone, I'm your friend, mentor, and guide from IC Kids on YouTube. I believe knowledge is power. Welcome to our channel. The word of the day today is equanimity. Let us try to understand the root words first. You will see how many different words can you understand if you know the root words. Animus, Latin word which means mind. Equus is equal in Latin. If you preserve your equanimity under trying circumstances, you keep your temper. Instead of getting confused, you remain calm. That is, an equal or a balanced mind is called equanimity. Animus meaning mind and anima meaning life or soul are the source of words animal, animate, inanimate, animated, animation, etc. Remember, your strongest muscle and biggest enemy is mind, so you better train it well. Unanimous means of one mind. When something is decided unanimously, it means everyone has the same thoughts about it. Latin word unus means one. Let's see some more words with the same root, animus. Animus, yes, itself can have a different meaning too. Sometimes it is used to mean unfriendly mind. For example, though you have been mean to me, I bear no animus. It means I have no ill will or hostility towards you. Isn't it fun? Animosity. It means ill will or hostility. You can say that it is a synonym of animus. Magnus. It means large. By now you know very well that animus is mind, right? So Magnus plus animus is magnanimous. People have such great noble minds that they are beyond seeking petty revenge. The noun is magnanimity. If bacillus is tiny, what does pusillanimous mean? Let us know in the comment section below. Go ahead and make all your dreams come true. And remember, limits exist only in the mind. Thank you for watching. Keep watching IC Kids to learn more, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please like, share, comment on the video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.